So where are we going, Kelly?
To get a puppy.
A puppy?
We have, it's 1:35 p.m. and a week-old puppy is on the code red euthanasia list at Bark, and I called them up. Nobody was interested. I've been watching her for a couple of days, and she's set to die, and they gave me to 2 p.m. and they said, please can we have to 2:30 p.m. because we had to get to a conference call. And so now we're flying down the freeway. It takes us an hour to get there, so we'll be arriving if there is no issues on the road exactly at 2:30 hopefully. So she's got mange, and we only have 14 dogs, Tristan, so
Exactly, there's always room for one or two more.
there's always room for more. There's always room for more. All you people that say, I've got 4 dogs and I can't foster. Alright, so let's do this. Stay tuned. Ready? Right on time. Quick, shut this down. Let's go. Okay. Wait, I've got a text from the rescue. No. You can shut. We're going to go get her. We're going to go get her. Oh, baby. Thank you. Oh, look at her. She's so cute. It's so
sweet.
cute. Oh, you smell. It's gonna be okay now, baby. It's gonna be okay now. Come on, I got you. Oh, this terrible skin. All right, let's get her in the car.